Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Mom and Kids Creativity. Today I am out of station and weather is awesome here. So I decided to shoot a drawing video for you guys here while enjoying this weather. First we will draw Durga Maa sketch with pencil. You can see the reflection of clouds on my table. I am completely enjoying this weather. So here I have completed the rough sketch of Durga Maa. Now I will do outline. Use only a waterproof gel pen to complete outline. So here is the final sketching. Now we will draw patterns. First we will draw bindi with red color pen. Now we will complete earring design with the help of patterns like this. Now we will complete the pattern in neck. Pattern in hand. Now pattern in crown. Following curve lines. This is the image like smoke is coming out from the Muchi, and this smoke has taken the shape of Durga Maa. Now patterns in smoke, just following curve lines. I have completed the pattern in smoke. Patterns are complete. Now we will color our drawing. To color this drawing, I am using brush pens. shading with grey color. A very light hand shading I have done here. So here is the final look of the painting. Hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.